yo, check it out. How many times on social media have you seen someone play some beats and they start off by doing this? Smashing the play start button going. Did you know that you could actually program the MPC to do that for you? And I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So what we're going to be using here is the independent track length feature of the MPC. So the first thing we have to do is we have to copy our sequence. We're going to make a whole new sequence with the beat juggle. So let's go ahead and copy the sequence to an unused sequence. All right, so now let me go to that sequence here. And you will see on the track block, we have, it says SEQ for sequence. And this is where we use independent track length. So you'll see I can turn it to one beat. And what that'll do is one bar will be one beat. It'll be this. All right, so now all you got to do is you got to change your sequence length. Right now it's 8 bars. So let me go ahead and just make this 1 bar. And you'll see now. Super easy, super funky. All right, so as long as you go through each track that you use and put the independent track length to one beat, you're good to go. So in this case, I just used one track, so I only had to apply it to track 1. So now, hopefully I don't see any more of this on social media. I'd much rather have it programmed in the beat. And what's dope is not only can you use this for an intro, but you could also use this for a break. You could bring it in like a break. For instance, right here, it's 8 bars, so 6, 7, 8, and break it down. Alright, so there it is. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Peace.